Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we're on the day number 2 of the class, and yesterday, what we discussed, I saw few of reply and few I'll review today. Okay, so that's good that homework has been done, maximum people. Let me share my screen. Come back here. Okay, so today we are going to be discuss furthermore and might be we are able to enter into the service now as well. Yes, we are able to start the service now topic as well. Okay, this topic I added intentionally in my training because sometimes what happened in a batch, there are few students who are very new and they have no idea about the IT industry. So just to give an overview that what is cloud computing, because we always say that ServiceNow is a cloud platform. So what is the cloud computing mean? Simple and easy, because I don't want to spend much time on this part. That is just a reference purpose. Okay. So cloud computing is something where your data is not stored in your local systems, but stored somewhere else. And that somewhere else is called the cloud. Okay. So it is like a on-demand kind of a place which you can access, where you can keep your application, resources, kind of things, and it is managed by someone else. So it is like you need something to be eat. You go to restaurant, you buy it, you get it, you eat it, that's done. The quantity you buy, you pay for that quantity only. You can say, okay, can you pack it? And I'm coming back in a few minutes. That person will take care of your package as well. Think. So this is what the simple meaning of the cloud computing. It provide you applications, it provide you database. So if I ask you, I'm sure everybody in this batch is using a smartphone. Yep. And in the smartphone, we're using the Gmail, where these mail are getting stored. If you open, you can see all your emails in a quick manner. Where these mails are getting stored. And this is what I can say example of the
Google
cloud
Cloud.
coverage. Google Drive, right? It means it's not in your local system, simple. So Google is like a provider, but ultimately it is on the drive or the cloud, right? So this is what is something similar we can say, or we can connect with ServiceNow as well, but not now. We'll come back on this particular part. Okay. When we talk about the when we talk about a ServiceNow, we say that when we talk about the infrastructure, there are two types of infrastructure mainly. One is on premises, one is cloud. On premises means you purchase a land and you are building your own house on that land. It means you put everything by your own, getting the labor, getting the machinery, getting the raw material, everything is done by you. That is called the on premises. There are many customers who said, I don't want to be take ServiceNow platform on the cloud. I want to be take ServiceNow platform in my premises only. So something like if I give an example that I purchased a new bicycle. I want to keep that bicycle in my balcony. That is on premises. Or if I purchase a new bicycle and I give it to someone, hey, can you store or keep it or park it somewhere else? There as I said, there are customers, they need ServiceNow on the on-premises because of their legal or their country restrictions. Like might be data issue. Mainly if you see the progress or see the trend in the GCC areas, Gulf areas, Riyadh, Qatar, Dubai, there are the customers who are preferring to use ServiceNow on premises. Means they want that they will have their own server and they will install ServiceNow. Like I'm sure many, not many, but few of you are one who use the computer in age of 2000, 2002, 5, 8, 7, 8 age, where we get to install .exe file in the systems. So something similar we have to be install it. But in the cloud, nothing that is required. You just go, pay and use. Cloud computing has a two type of models: deployment and service model. भाई if simple सी बात है, if you go to a wholesale shop, you cannot buy a half kg or 250 gram tomato or potato because it's a wholesale. You need minimum 1 kg. So in the same manner, there are two models which cloud computing provide based on the deployment, based on the service model. Deployment means that how you want to be use it. So it says private cloud. It's it's mine. Nobody else can access it. The best example is that if you want to travel from Delhi to Jaipur, there are multiple ways. And the first way is that I hire a cab. That is private cab. Nobody else can access it because you hired and you are paying for the same. The same thing, there are customers who says, okay, I'm okay to be have service now on the cloud-based platform, but it should be private cloud because I have data restrictions. I cannot share this place with anybody else. That is called the private cloud. Public, as the name indicate, I give you an example for the public one. You go to some religious place, okay, and you don't have much money, so you book a dharamshala. In the old language, we call it sarai as well. Okay, and in that place, you book a, you book, you say to the person of that particular dharamshala that we are two-person and we need some space to be sleep. He says you can take a private room, cost 500, or you can take two beddings in the hall as well. That hall is a public because there's a lot of people will be there. But it doesn't mean that anybody can come and access your system. No. Public means it is the place where many other companies have their data, but it is still safe that nobody can access your data unless you provide the rights. But it's not private. Or if you want to travel to Delhi to Jaipur, you can use the public transport as well. Bus, train. In that, it is not guaranteed that you will get a seat or not. Then hybrid, mix of both. Half by cab, half by public transport. Up to you how you want to be good. So these are the three deployment model of cloud computing which ServiceNow provide. Not ServiceNow. This is a uh, open concept provided by the cloud providers. यहाँ पे ServiceNow don't think that it is ServiceNow model. No, it's not a ServiceNow model. It is a service cloud service providers. Now based on the service model. First is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. There was the days when our parents build the house by their own. They get the builder, they get the raw material, they get the machinery, they take off from their office, they stood and they saw the whole house is getting built. But in IaaS, it says, boss, tell me what you want. I'll take care. Only infra part. Rest is your responsibility. Server, databases, that I will take care. And you can pay for that. No need to pay extra. Pay only for the limited infra which you're taking from me. So half part is your responsibility and infra part is your provider responsibility. Okay. Now platform as a service. Android. Or Mac. How many applications are there which you can see in your app store? Up to billion applications are there. On which basis it has been built? For every application, the base is same. Either it is a Mac OS, or either it is a Windows OS. That is what this concept. I am giving you the land. Now go and use it. You can make shop, you can make flat, or you can make a hostel. Up to you. But I am giving you the platform. And finally, software as a service. The best example is the Gmail. Can you change anything in the Gmail? No. Color, font, that is normal one. But can you change actually in the Gmail which can impact everybody? No. Because that is software as a service. Do you maintain the Gmail? No. So the way platform, the way software is built, you just go and pay and use it. So like I'm using MS Team. I purchase subscription for the MS Team. This is what software as a service. Because MS Team is nothing but is a software for me. I pay the amount to Microsoft and purchase from me. And this is what it is. So public, private, and hybrid, like going whole public side. Private is a private cap. Hybrid is somehow cap, then public, sorry, cap, then public, and then your destination. In on-premises, everything you have to manage it. You have to manage everything. So now you are getting this training. Managing your day schedule, managing your done lunch, dinner, breakfast, laptop, electricity, internet is your responsibility. Then IS, infrastructure as a service, because it's an infra. So like virtualization, server, storage is given by the provider, but application data runtime is maintained by you. This is what we agreed. Same goes platform. Only thing is that in the software as a service, you are totally using it. Nothing is maintained by you. Clear till this point? Good, Vaibhav.
Sir, can you please zoom the second image or choose the presentation mode? It is not that much clear to us.
Let me do. Clear now?
Sir, a bit more can you do, please? Yes, sir. Now it is fine.
Okay. So this is a simple one. You can just search on the Google that cloud computing and this you can get the information. So nothing much I created this. This is just I use it from the um, Google only. Now this is what the basic concept which I want to be discuss about the cloud computing. And now we are going to be enter into the service now. One thing which I want to be say here, if you are joining this meeting from your mobile phone, then from tomorrow I'll recommend to be go for the laptop. Okay, because now we're going to be start the little practical part as in next 2 days. Tick. Now, before I go to the service now, let me ask a question to you. What is the purpose of MS Excel for you?
Data management.
Okay. What else?
Simple
Reporting.
calculation, we create reports, graph, something there in Excel.
Okay. Calculations. What next?
So to record the progress of each and every department as well.
Okay. What else?
We can categorize the things in Excel.
What else?
It can be treated like a database for us, means like there is some format, there's a column and rows, so we can say it's a kind of database for us mostly, where we are going to store our data, day-to-day
What
data.
else?
Uh, um,
Good, please.
Give an insight.
Put us a loud, little louder, please. Your voice is very low.
Oh, I'm sorry. Any better? Hello.
Not better, but let's go ahead.
Okay. So basically, Excel is for record keeping, which may give an insight into the performance of any organization.
Mm-hmm. No, we not able to hear you. Okay, what else? So if I ask this question, the purpose of this question is that to understand that what this software can do. Someone says to give insights, someone say to calculation for data management. It means you bring the data, you add your data, do the calculation, and get some results. Right? Or what you can do in MS Excel. You can use MS Excel as a base and you can build your own application as well. Right? You can build your own application as well. So in short, MS Excel is nothing but it is a tool for me. Everybody agree? What you can do
Yes.
in your phone. Okay, tell me what you can do with your phone.
Like lot of things we can call, we can message,
Hmm.
we can watch videos,
Hmm.
we
What
can send
else?
emails.
Okay. What else? Come on, you're using phone from the ages now.
We can use different apps like banking or
Vikram, hold it, Vikram. Let others to be also answer. Your answer is fine, but I want to be more interactive. Tell me what else?
We can play games and we can interact with anyone.
Okay. What else?
Store and access data whenever we want.
Okay. What else?
Banking purpose.
Banking purpose. What else? If I remove calling and SMS from this mobile device, you still use that phone?
Yes,
What you will do?
there's a lot of application there. I mean, in
But it is
on
like
the mobile.
it is just like a box then.
Yeah,
You cannot call, you cannot message.
we only can use the application on there and without phone and SMS.
That you can do on the laptop as well.
It's portable, so we can carry. It's easy to carry mobile phones.
But you just think, do you carry that box which has no functionality of calling?
I don't know. It will be rare.
Right. What this means that every tool has a core functionality. See, the initial purpose of phone was not to get app installed. The initial purpose of phone was to be called to someone. When this mobile phone came in the picture, put in the pocket is a portability. But if I remove this, its core feature, then it has no use. So you use the mobile phone to store, to save the contact as well. Using that contact, you can call anybody, you can SMS anybody, you can WhatsApp anybody. Correct? Correct. But again, what is phone is a device for me. Nothing much important. It's a device. Now, if I come back on the slides, this is what is ServiceNow. If you ask me, ServiceNow is nothing but a tool. Simple words, simple words. I can say it's a tool. What type of tool? Where you can create your records, you can update your records, you can delete your records, and you can live cycle it. Today you are in the training. So hopefully everybody saved my number as well. Tomorrow when the training will be over, Maximum of you will delete my number as well. So in short, ServiceNow is nothing but it's a tool. But we call it as a platform because it is giving me so much opportunities, so much benefits. So benefit is not the right term, so much functionality which I can use to do multiple things. So mobile phone is not just a device, it is not a device. It is like internal part of our life now. If I told you, might be Vikram, if I told you, don't use the phone for 5 days, you will laugh and say, come on, Atul, how is this possible? Means that time you will not think about that what I do in the mobile phone. Would you think that, Atul, if I need to be call someone then? So the purpose of phone has been changed immediately. Or I will say, okay, I'm replacing your phone with a keyboard phone and taking a smartphone from you and giving a non-smartphone you. You still okay to be used because you are able to call and SMS someone. This is what the core functionality of phone. Now, the definitions you're able to see here is a ServiceNow definitions. ServiceNow is a company as well with the same name. And ServiceNow is a platform which is a cloud based. That was the reason we discussed this topic. Cloud means the actual storage, the actual thing has been stored somewhere else. But you can access ServiceNow with a given link. So ServiceNow is a cloud-based company that provide ServiceNow as a software or as a platform or as an application. Mainly the terms has been changed now. It is a application and a platform. What this means, Atul? Application means you can use this as it is, which is given by ServiceNow. So when you purchase a new phone, you use it as it is. No new app, you're installing it, just using as it is. That's called application as a service. But now ServiceNow is called as a APaaS, application platform as a service. What this mean? If you want to build your own application based on the ServiceNow, you can do it. Meaning, same example I'm giving you, OS. You can create your own application based on the OS. Might be Windows or might be MacBook. So the application which we install in our phone, what this means? This is all OS based, right? Based on your OS, you can install it. And ServiceNow is a single system of action which offer workflow or the flow capabilities. Orchestration means automation. And it is not only used by IT. It can be used by IT It can be used by outside customers and it can be used by internal employees for the internal purpose like HRSD, HR thing. This line is very limited, but tomorrow we'll see more about the capabilities of ServiceNow. And ServiceNow, and this is ServiceNow words. I did not change anything here. It says it gives you the power to make the work better. If I give you a mobile phone, and by using that mobile phone, you can do anything you want. So it says power to make work better, so employees work the way they want to, not how the software dictates they have to do. You can do a lot in ServiceNow, a lot. ठीक है, क्लियर है यहाँ तक? Any doubt, any question till this point?
No. Okay.
Good.
So,
Go ahead.
shall I? So if
Go
somebody
ahead,
asks
please.
like, what is sir, we can say in a final, like it's a APAS or
It's
SAS?
APAS. Now it is a APAS.
Okay. Thank
Now
you.
earlier it was the only SAS or PAS, but now it is a APAS, a combine. Use as it is or use as a platform and build your own application. Anyway, you can use it. Okay. Now about ServiceNow history. ServiceNow history, like if I say anybody has a mobile phone, sorry, iPhone. Anyone in this group has an iPhone?
Yes. Okay.
There you go. Which version?
Oh, it's 18.1.1.
Not the OS.
It's a 15.
It's the 15. And what was the previous version of iPhone?
The 14 was in market.
14.
Yeah.
13 as well.
Yeah, every year they launch one version.
11, 12, 10,
Yeah.
9, 8, 7. Right? 15 you have, but market has a 16 as well, right? Or might be 17 is coming on the way. In the same manner, ServiceNow also has a releases. Before 2012, ServiceNow released its version based on the season's name. Like this. But now ServiceNow releases based on the city's name and with A to Z. So you can see our half training, not half, I can say our maximum training will be in the Zurich release because Zurich is getting released for the early access on 31st of July. So if you did not register, go and register. There's a event is happening called the Tech Now. Tech Now episode 100 is getting launched 31st of July at 8:30 Indian time PM. 1 hour session. Join that session. It's a free of cost. and we will come to know a lot new things about the Zurich. Did you find any similarity by reading these things like A to Z? Any similarity you find? Anybody?
names of the cities.
There are
Cities,
two
what?
release per year.
Correct. Almost every year.
Twice per-
Because if you see till 16, it is not stable. 12 to 13 to 14 में एक, then 15 to 16 1 and 17 again 2. From 2017 till now, ServiceNow has a policy. Every year there will be 2 releases will be out, and we call these releases as a family release. And now on 31st of July, another family release is coming out. That's called the Zurich. And anybody know what is coming after Zurich?
Australia.
Australia and Brazil.
Brazil is not out, I guess. Or do you have any official document for the Brazil?
Yes, it was in community pages. It was said that in Q4 of 2026, Brazil will be out.
I doubt it has been announced. Means the release name has been announced, I doubt. Australia, I know.
I know, but it was in community pages of ServiceNow community.
True. So little bit you have to be cautious and the clear that sometime there are some fake information as well. If you did not find any official document which talk about the release name, don't open it to public. ठीक है जी? So one thing which is important to be seen that yes, ServiceNow releasing 2 family releases every year. One is almost in the month of July and one is almost in the month of December. November end of December first week, something like that only. So now it's coming July. Next will come in the month of December mostly. So our training will be mostly on the Zurich release. I'll upgrade my instance and then we'll go for this thing. So next few days we are using the Yokohama and then we will upgrade to the Zurich. Clear everybody till this point? And doubt, question, clarification?
So Atul, just one question regarding this
Please.
release. So is it mandatory to update the release, or is there some time to update that particular release? Like
Okay,
the
good
phone,
question.
when we got the new OS update, right? There is some maybe force update, maybe sometimes there's a force update, or there may be some
Yes.
optional updates.
Yes. So tactically, if I say ServiceNow recommend to their customers to upgrade to the latest release as soon as possible. But upgrading, so now if I say you have iPhone 15 and let's say after 6 months iPhone 16 is coming, would you like to buy iPhone 16 immediately?
No.
No. Might be iPhone 17?
No.
Not. Why?
It's not necessary to buy.
To buy it because
Yeah.
might be if you're using your phone for might be vlogs or some kind of recordings, then you can still think. But it is not that much important. But what iPhone says, upgrade your iPhone to the latest version. You get this, that thing. So same manner, ServiceNow say that good. If you can upgrade it, that will be good. ServiceNow, this is what I'm still looking for the final official document. ServiceNow say I will support N-1 release. N-1 means this is N. -1 is Zenendo. So I will support Zenendo and Yokohama if you have any issue. But if you have below that, I will support, but that can be chargeable, or that can be some different terms and condition. I saw few of the customer who are still on the Washington DC, who are still on the Vancouver, who are still on the Utah as well. So it is not necessary that you have to be go, but there is the limit after that service now push. You have to be go to the next release now. So they schedule your upgrades automatically and push it to you. Practically, I see that customers skip one release and go to the latest one. So if someone is on the Zenendo, they will skip Yocom and go to Zurich. But I see few of the customers who use the latest version as soon as it get released. There are many big companies who upgrade their platforms to the latest version immediately so that they can get the new things and then they can tell to their customers. Clear that, Vikram?
Yeah, it's clear.
ServiceNow, a very big company, and there's a few examples of ServiceNow used or ServiceNow customers. This is not a limited one. There's a many customers ServiceNow hold it. But these are a few examples that where the ServiceNow has been used. In this part, important because many of you are a fresher and many of you got laid off as well. And you want to build your career in ServiceNow. You can become a system admin. You can go for the developer role. I have to update this portion because it has a few more stuff now. You can go for the developer role. You can go for the implementer role, which is like a technical functional mix. You can go for the BA role. You can go for the TPM role, technical project manager. There's a one more training has been launched, which is called the platform owner. And one more is called the OCM, organization change management or change management role. These all are the journeys in ServiceNow. Journey means that these courses itself has a multiple courses. So if I say that you want to travel from Delhi to Jaipur, then the multiple stations. The multiple stations are called your journey. Every station has its own way. If you are very big, fancy, if you are very small one. So if and the good part is that nowadays, this is what you can check it again. Nowadays, if you go to the ServiceNow University, it is a learning platform where you can go and log in and you can do this training free of cost. There's no fees involved to do this journey. But you need to decide which path you want to pick it up. Do you want to go for the admin? Do you want to go for the development? Do you want to go for the implementation, change, a BA or TPM or platform owner kind of role? That you can do it or understand by your side. Clear, everybody? Because this is what is a point for you to be take action, not for me. So if you want, you can start this admin journey in ServiceNow University from today itself. Do the admin course and do this training.
Atul, a doubt here.
Go ahead, please.
Can you tell? Okay, can you tell the difference between business process analyst and technical project manager? Like, what's the responsibilities of both?
See, technical project manager is responsible for the overall project success. And business analyst is responsible for a specific module. I am only worried that how to get the requirement, where to write the requirement, how to write the stories. But TPM is one who is main on the resourcing part, who is main on the financial part, who is main on the chargeability part, who is main on the project delivery part. That is what is a TPM do.
Okay, got it.
Okay. There's a one session I done with ServiceNow last week. That is what I can say is career journey to the platform owner. And something similar question come there as well. The recording is not available till now, but it will be out soon. You can watch that recording.
Okay, sure.
But there is the difference between these two roles. Don't get confused. Clear? So now you can decide that what journey is fit for you. And every journey has a multiple set of courses to be do. So like if I say you need to be clear class 7th, what this mean? That you have to be read the multiple subjects. And at the end of the year, you have to be appear for the exam and then it will be done. Clear, everybody? Any doubt question? Go ahead, Priyadarshan. You raise your hand.
Yeah, Atul.
Yep,
My
go ahead,
que-
please.
Yeah, my question is, I'm
Can you a little bit louder? Your voice is very, very low for me. Mhm. Still not able to hear you. In the meantime, you just check your mic. And Sachin, what's your question? Please go ahead.
Yeah, mine is regarding the upgrading process. Does
Mhm.
ServiceNow charge anything for the upgrading from previous version
No,
to current one?
no. So we have a topic in our agenda that how to upgrade. Hopefully, we will able to take that topic very soon because we are getting the upgrades now. Okay, but ServiceNow did not charge for the same.
And
Yes, we can
another
go ahead. Good, good,
so
good. Oh, sorry,
another
go ahead, Sachin.
yeah, another question was like I want to be an application developer.
Mhm.
So apart from the admin part, what should I and where should I get the resources from for application?
This is what the journey you can pick it up. So
The
in
learning.
this you will yes go to ServiceNow University, go to journeys, and you can pick up this journey. In this you will get a different courses which is mainly built up for the this thing for the development perspective. For the developer, the main thing is called scripting. So in the application developer, It is a concept called the CAD, ServiceNow Application Developer. That certification is good to go, good to have. But along with this, multiple courses you have to be complete to become a good application developer. So you can pick up this journey and you can do the courses. Few might have some certificates, few just are the training, nothing else will be there.
Okay.
Okay, Sachin?
Yeah, thank you.
Good. Yes, you can go
Sir,
ahead.
system administrator.
Wait, Naga, wait. Vikram, go ahead.
So I have two questions. One is related to studies homework. Last question, like the ITL is useful for product-based and service-based company, or it can be used for only service-based.
Okay.
And the second one is like in ServiceNow, if somebody don't know the coding, how difficult for that person it is?
I don't know the coding.
Okay.
See, difficult is the one thing. That is the reason if you see this journey, coding is mainly this area, but we have multiple rules available. If you want to become a developer, then coding is must for you. If not, then you can pick up any other journey as well. But my recommendation, this is my personal thought. If you are new into the ServiceNow ecosystem, I will say go for the developer first. Because there's a lot of openings for the developer at the fresher level as well, which I saw in multiple LinkedIn posts. Don't follow something personally, but I saw. Chicken. Yes, Naga, go ahead now.
Sir, actually, system administrator, which language is want to do, sir? Application developer. Suppose I want to become system ServiceNow developer. Which language must be know, sir?
JavaScript.
Business process analyst also coding also required, no, sir? BP.
No.
Maybe some
So,
business analyst to code Python is teaching someone.
no. Wait. Let me share my screen, full screen again. I'll show you something.
Little bit confused there that.
So if you want to know about this journey, you can go here in the ServiceNow University. Let me show you.
Okay, sir. Could you please get it?
Here. Read about these journeys first. That what this journey means. So you can go for the admin, you can go for the developer, platform owner, implementer, BPA, technical project manager, and the support specialist. So they remove this one. I can say, they added one more, support specialist. There's one more for the change management as well. Might be something else. So these are the journey available. Now, if you want to know what this journey means, what this journey include, go and open it and read about this journey. That what this role will do. So read about these topics. Then you can pick up, you can decide that what journey is important for you. Which journey you should pick up. Read it, decide it, and then start it. Because every journey has a level. So if you can see here, for the implementation 3 level: associate, practitioner, professional, and the expert. So if I show you this one, few details. So in this, you're going to be to do this thing: ITSM, foundation, community, experience, and CSA. If I go for the practitioner, see, few more addition on this particular part. Professional, CMDB, JavaScript, architecture, mindset, and these things will be there. And then last is expert. This one. And the expert, you have a CAD as well. So it means if you want to be an implementer, you must have a CAD as well. See. Professional. This one, CAD. So define. What you want to do is important here. And it is not you have to pick up the blindly by just reading the words. Oh, I want to be a developer, so this is a good journey for me. You need to be think, you need to be read. Then you have to take a decision that what is the best journey suiting to me as per my experience or my education background. And then you can do it. Clear, everybody? Doubt, question, or clarification? Anyone?
So my one question is still pending, like about the IT.
Yesterday one. Yep. So what is your question now? You just put that there's a I have a doubt something. What do you doubt in that particular part? Tell me.
No, like the question was, can we use ITIL in only in
Yes.
service-based company or in both?
Product based as well, right?
I answered like we can use in both type of companies, because nowadays everywhere IT infrastructure is there. But I just wanted to know what is the actual answer.
If I say I don't know, then okay. When you say that this is what the actual answer, let's go back one step. Sorry, let's take one step back. Did you read everybody's answer as well in the chat?
Not yet.
That's what we as a BA do. Being a BA, make a habit that reads everybody comments first. And also you say that I'm not saying, or I'm not giving you the answer. I'm still want you to be search it. If you say that Atul, yes, ITL can be used in both places, on which basis you say yes? Did you research it? Or just gut feeling?
My last organization was a product-based company, and where it was implemented. So like we used to follow some of the best practices from the ITL. On that basis, I mentioned.
So it means your answer is very much correct, because you work in that industry and you use that one.
Okay.
I work.
No,
I
was confused because yesterday in our conversation, sorry if I interrupted you.
No, good. Please go ahead, Vikram.
Yesterday in our conversation, you were saying some incident which happened with you, and it was like, and then you said, I will let you know later. So that's why I was a little bit confused.
No. So yes, in the interview, the same question has been asked to me. But if I tell you from my experience, yes, I work with a product-based company and we implemented ITL there. So ITIL says that it is a best practice which you can use it. Either you now if I say that is the traffic rule only applicable when you're driving a car or a scooter, or is it applicable even though when you're driving the or riding a bicycle as well? Bicycle as well, right? Don't overtake that side, be only in your lane itself. So in the same manner, ITL says that I am a best practice. Now, if you want to modify a little bit for your purpose, you can modify and you can use it. I'm not saying to no to anybody that don't use me. Use me in your industry if you think that it am fitting in that particular part. Might be used 100%, might be used 10%, up to you. Okay, Vikram. And also, because you said that you work in the previous company, but still I will say explore a little bit more on the internet. Might be there are some blogs which clearly say no, it is not possible. Because there's no written answer for this one. So for the same question which asked to me, the hiring manager who was hiring me, he said no, ITIL cannot be used in the product-based company. Because he has a different mindset, different thought process. But I said yes, it will be. It can be used. But there's a no written guarantee. Now I give a last example, then we close this call. Someone says I'm a vegetarian, but I can eat egg. Now you tell me that is that person is vegetarian or not? Is that person is vegetarian or not? Tell me, Vikram.
Again, there is a condition.
But do you see, condition is the one thing, but is anything written anywhere that if you are having an egg in your diet, you are not a vegetarian?
No.
No. This is what is everybody mindset. Someone says that person said no, ITIL cannot be used in the product-based company, but I said no, it can be used it because I work, I implement it. So there are multiple thoughts. There's the multiple information. More research might be today you are saying yes, but tomorrow you can say no, so it cannot be used it. See, this is what the evidence I can give you. Because there's no single source of truth for this information. Everybody has its own thought process. So ITIL says, boss, I am here. If you want to use me, you can use it. Make little changes and use it the way you want to be use it. That's fine. Clear, Vikram, now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, any last question before we close the recording for today and take attendance? Okay, let me stop the recording and take attendance now.